How to create a group email in Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a group Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you will need to open up your Google Chrome browser. After you do that, tap on this three grids, that is the square icon here. Tap on Google Apps. After you do that, scroll down until you find Contacts. Tap on Contacts. And after you tap on contacts, there you'll find all of your contacts that you have saved. Now, if you haven't saved your contacts, you can tap on create contact and create a new contact and simply create a contact by using the emails here. Now, what you can do is you can tap on create labels here. Now you can create a label. You can simply write friends here and tap on save. So after you do that, you can add these people to this label. So here you can tap on these labels and tap on these manage labels option and add them to friends. You can simply create one from here as well. I'll just add them from here and tap on apply. Now you've just added them to friends. Now you can head over to your mail, and after you're on your mail, make sure that you're on the very same account here first. And after you do that, you can start composing an email. Simply create an email now. So after you tap on compose email, you'll get the pop-up which you can now use this label to create the group, that is to start sending emails from that very label. So from here you can see if I type in friends, it'll just give me the friends, and from that I can now simply use that label as the group, and now I can send stuff in a group. And that's basically how I do it. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.